Hope you're not a goth.
One day I snuck aboard a Slavic freighter. No one knew that I was even there for weeks. I slept in a barrel of potatoes. Boy, I had potatoes up to here. When I arrived,
A long-lost friend of mine came up to me
and asked me home to dine. When I sat down, I thought I'd nearly die. My plate was filled with cold potato pie.
Starring Kate Rowley, Caitlin Mason, Kendall Mason, and Tatum Mason.